Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn organic chemistry. First, build a strong foundation by mastering basic principles like bonding and hybridization. Don't rush. Each new concept builds on the last. Regularly practice drawing structures and mechanisms to solidify your understanding. Visualizing molecules in 3 dimensions with models can also greatly enhance your learning. To truly master organic chemistry, active learning is key. Make flashcards for all your reactions, reagents, and functional groups to aid memorization. Consistently work through a variety of practice problems from your textbook and other resources. Also, consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others often clarifies them for yourself. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, for all your study materials and beyond, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading textbooks or just relaxing with a good book. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding reaction mechanisms is crucial. Try categorizing reactions by their mechanism type, which helps in recognizing patterns. Always focus on the electron flow, using curved arrows to track bond breaking and forming in every step. By understanding reagent properties and reaction conditions, you'll become adept at predicting the final products.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.